All right, hi everybody, Meteorologist Pat Cavlin just checking in with you because we do have a severe thunderstorm warning right now. This is for portions of Montgomery County, the southern part of Walker County, and then also as you get into San Jacinto County. The main threats with this storm will be small hail and also the chance for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. And we've actually seen the storm shift towards more of a wind threat here in the last few minutes. So it's moving to the north around 20 miles per hour, paralleling I-45, but it's to the east side of the interstate. So Conroe, you're kind of threading the needle here, but as you go just east of downtown, that's where we're starting to see some of the heaviest rainfall and even the potential for some small hail. So Hawthorne, expect this around 410. So, and then New Waverly at 425 if it holds together. So again, coming into southern Walker County here around 415 or so. As we get you in for a closer look with the hail detection, cut and shoot, you're seeing the worst, if any, of hail right now, but this color scheme here only indicating maybe about a quarter to a half an inch hailstone. So not really a big hailer, but we have seen some pretty impressive wind gusts with this. I think the winds have come down a little bit within the last 20 to 30 minutes, but as we take a sampling of the radar estimated winds, we're seeing generally between 20 and 30 miles per hour. But again, as these come down to the surface, they can actually increase in speed. So you have to understand, we're looking at this from the radar in League City, which is farther south of Houston. So the radar beam is actually looking up into the storm. It's not looking at those surface winds. So you take a 30-mile-per-hour wind and you rush it down to the surface, and that's where you could see the chance to maybe get a severe wind gust in excess of 58 miles per hour. So there's that pink hail core. You can see it's racing to the north. This thing really kind of peaked down towards Shenandoah, or at least just to the east of Shenandoah, and it weakened a little bit, but it's actually maintaining itself pretty well. So the National Weather Service again issuing this severe thunderstorm warning, and it goes until 4 o'clock. So another 10 minutes left on this. If it holds itself together, they may extend it farther into Walker and San Jacinto County. But right now, it's northern, really northeastern Montgomery County that we're watching. We also have another storm farther to the south here. This is coming into the woodlands right now, affecting parts of Spring. And 249, Texas 249 here, the heaviest rain falling with this. Nothing severe at this point, but just a heads up if you live in the woodlands, heavy rain about to come down within the next 10 minutes or so. Beyond that, it's Oak Ridge north at 405 and then Shenandoah again at 408. Another storm here down to the south. This is just to the north of downtown right now, so around Hawthorne Place, out towards Beaumont Place, just to the south of the Super 8 connector north of the loop, and this is moving to the north also around 20 to 25 miles per hour. So expect this in Dryersdale around 353, Aldine around 401, and if it holds together into Humble by 415. So a pretty impressive storm, pretty decent stormy afternoon for us right now. And as we just give you an overview here of what's going on, again, we've got 3 storms that we're watching, only one of which is severe. We'll zoom out, we'll show you what's going on. Again, the severe storm that we're watching is in northeastern Montgomery County here, again, just to the east of Conroe. That's moving to the north at 20 miles per hour, but we still have other storms kind of behind it, downstream, just to the north of downtown. So again, one near Spring, one to the north of downtown. Thunder and lightning with both of these, but this is the severe one. The potential again for severe weather with that storm in northeastern Montgomery County, moving towards Walker and San Jacinto. The main threats, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and also the chance for some smaller hail. On the wider shot, that's pretty much all that we have out there. Nothing south of town, just a little downpour now around Mission Bend, north of Sugar Land and south of Addicks. No thunder or lightning with that. Another downpour out towards the Bel Air area, but again, the only 3 thunderstorms that we're watching is this one here. This is to the north of downtown, moving towards Dryersdale and Aldine. The next one is north of that as you get into northern Harris County and towards the border of Montgomery County, moving towards the woodlands. Should arrive in the woodlands within the next 10 minutes. You hear the thunder in the distance. Again, nothing severe with that. And then the severe storm that we are watching here now, this is just to the north of Texas 105. Wherever you see that pink core, that's generally what we look at to see where the most intense part of the storm is. So that's right over cut and shoot right now. Notice the concentration, pretty good concentration here of lightning strikes. That's another indicator of where the strongest part of the storm is. You get the most lightning, the brightest colors on radar. So that's what we're watching for right now. That's moving towards Maynard, and again, should be there within the next 20 minutes or so as it moves to the north around 20 miles per hour. So this warning goes until 4 o'clock. That's 3:50 now, so another 10 minutes. If this holds together, they're going to reissue it, which would take it farther into Walker County and San Jacinto County. But beyond that, that's all we've got for you today. We're going to have more on the storm situation for this evening, including the forecast for the week ahead, all coming up on the KHOU 11 News at 5:30.